Soyez les bienvenus, messieurs, dames, aujourd'hui à Language Place. Je suis content que vous êtes là encore, cette fois-ci. Aujourd'hui, on va traiter la lecture simple, comme d'habitude. Et le titre de cette présentation, c'est les sports. Welcome to Language Place. Today, we have this simple text that we want to work on. And the topic for today is sports. Well, in French we say les sports. Okay, so we're going to read the text as usual. Remember our goal. Our goal is we want to know how to pronounce these words. Number two, we want to know the difficult words. What are the meanings of these difficult words? I'm going to give you some seconds. After we have read it, and then you just begin to check them in your dictionary, and then we'll come back together, and then we'll now talk about it together. Okay, so the first thing now, we're going to read it together. Listen to me first. I will read it. Just enjoy yourself. Les sports. Lucie et Moïse décident de s'inscrire à un club de gym. Lucie n'est pas grosse, mais il mange trop de gâteaux. Et Moïse a un gros ventre parce qu'il boit trop d'eau bien. Entre le tennis, la natation, le football, la gymnastique, la musculation, Lucie décide de faire la gym. Moïse refuse de faire de la boxe parce qu'il craint qu'il soit à terre au premier point. Donc, il décide de faire de la gymnastique comme Lucie. Very interesting. Okay, so now I'll give you some seconds. You can pause it now, and on your own, just see how much of this text can I understand. What's going on in this text? And then check your dictionary if you have some difficult words. So I give you the moment now. So we come back now. So you're welcome back. So we take it one after the other. Lucie et Moïse. Of course, these are names. This one is familiar to you already. Conjunction et and. So we have Lucie and Moses. Lucie et Moïse décident. That's the original form of that verb is décider. And it's conjugated because this is Lucie, Moïse, that is they. Of course, you have it in this form, il. Okay? And then, décide. Il décide de s'inscrire. Of course, you remember, this is the verb s'inscrire. And you know, we talk about pronominal verbs, the verb with se. And this is one of them. So we have Lucie et Moïse décident de s'inscrire. This one is in the original form because of the do. Anytime you use the do and a verb is going to come, the verb must compulsorily be in the original form. So we have Lucie et Moïse décident de s'inscrire, that is to register. De s'inscrire à un club de gym. The two of them decided to register in a gymnastic club. Okay? Lucie n'est pas grosse. Lucie n'est pas grosse. Remember, this is the verb. This is the negating particle. There is elision has taken place here. So, ne pas. I've talked about that. So, Lucie n'est pas grosse. Grosse, an adjective. To be fat. To be big. Okay? So, Lucie n'est pas grosse, mais il mange trop de gâteaux. Look at this. The use of this is very important. Always like that. Trop de. Say it after me. Trop de. Trop de. A lot of. Yeah? So much of. So we see this person, Lucie, il mange. That is the original form of that verb is manger, and it means to eat. Okay? Il, third person singular, il mange trop de, a lot of gâteau. Gâteau is cake. So this young man eats a lot of cake. Et Moïse a un gros ventre. Well, the other person, Moses, has a big, remember, look at the adjective again, and there must be accord between the adjective and the noun. So you see, this is un, masculine, and this is adjective, and it's also masculine. Ventre, masculine. So you see, Moïse a un gros ventre, he has a big belly, parce qu'il boit trop, we see the trop de again, parce qu'il boit trop de bière. Look at this one, parce qu'il, from the word parce que, because, and then there is élision, because vowel and vowel meeting together, the E has to go, and this is the verb to drink, boire. Je bois, tu bois, il boit, elle boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, ils boivent, elles boivent. So we have gros ventre parce qu'il boit trop de bière. This beer is feminine, but you will never say trop de la. You know why? Whenever you should use trop de, you drop the article of the noun. So you say trop de bière. Okay? Trop de bière. Just as we have it here, trop de gâteau. So we go on. Entre le tennis, la natation, le football, la gymnastique, la musculation, Lucie décide de faire la gym. Now, Lucy has a lot of options from where he can take from. And then we have the different options. We have le tennis. We have la natation, that is swimming. And then we have le football. So he has these options to take from. Which one do I do actually? So, and then we have gymnastic, you know, and then musculation. And all these things, he has the opportunity, I mean, he wants to make choice and decide. But then let's see the decision of Lucy. Lucy décide de faire la gym. So eventually, he decided for gymnastique. He decided, this is the abbreviation of gymnastique. Okay? Moïse refuse de faire de la boxe parce qu'il craint qu'il soit à terre au premier point. Moïse refuse de, refuser de, to refuse to do something. And remember, once you use do, remember, the verb that follows after must be in the infinitive, the original form. So Moïse refuse de faire. Moïse refuse de faire de la boxe. And look at this expression also, faire de la boxe, kind of just to do boxing. But you refuse, I'm not going to do that. I don't want to do that. But why? You always say parce que, because he refuses to go for boxing. Parce que, because he fears. This is the verb craindre. Craindre. This is the original form of the verb craindre. That is to fear. Because he fears qu'il soit, qu'il soit that it would fall to the floor. In fact, during the first round, he doesn't know how to fight boxing, he doesn't know how to do it, so he's afraid that it might be too difficult for him. If he goes for boxing, he's likely going to have problems. So he didn't decide for boxing. Donc, il décide de faire de la gymnastique comme Lucie. So the two of them decided, okay, it's better we decide we go for gymnastic because it's less risky. Okay, we're going to read it together now. You pronounce it after me as I pronounce. Lucie et Moïse décident de s'inscrire à un club de gym. Lucie n'est pas grosse, mais il mange trop de gâteaux. Et Moïse a un gros ventre parce qu'il boit trop de bière. Entre le tennis, la natation, le football, la gymnastique, la musculation, Lucie décide de faire la gym. Moïse refuse de faire de la boxe parce qu'il craint qu'il soit à terre au premier point. Au premier point. Au premier point. Donc, il décide de faire de la gymnastique comme Lucie. Il décide de faire de la gymnastique comme Lucie. Okay, so with that, you see the vocabulary of this. I want you to keep those words in mind, and I want you to make use of them as you are composing your own text. By the time you have exercises to write about yourself or about a particular sport or about your interest in sport, these are some of the vocabularies you put together to be able to have your own composition. And by now, I expect you should be able to do that. Ok, alors, on s'arrête ici et on se verra bientôt. Wiedersehen.